You bought a plant for your bedroom and within weeks it started dying. Not because you forgot to water it, but because bedrooms are one of the hardest places for plants to survive. Low light, closed space, dry air. So here's the question: which plants actually survive in dark bedrooms, not just tolerate them for a while? Today, I'll show you the only plants that consistently work in low-light bedrooms, and how to place them correctly so they don't slowly decline. Because in a bedroom, placement matters as much as the plant itself. Why bedrooms are difficult. Bedrooms are different from living rooms. They typically have less window exposure, more blocked light from heavy curtains or furniture, lower airflow, and longer periods of darkness. Even during the day, light intensity is usually in the low range. This means, only shade-adapted plants can survive long-term. Number 1, snake plant. It's the best overall. Why it works: extremely low light tolerance, slow metabolism, and handles dry air. The bedroom advantage: it doesn't need frequent attention. Placement: near the wall opposite the window, or beside your dresser. Number 2, ZZ plant. It is the most forgiving. Why it survives: it stores water in its rhizomes, handles inconsistent care, and adapts easily to low-light environments. Important: do not overwater. Bedroom conditions already slow down soil drying. Number 3, cast iron plant. A true shade plant. It is one of the few plants that truly tolerates deep shade. Perfect for corners, low-light bedrooms, and minimalist setups. The trade-off: very slow growth but extremely stable. Number 4, Pothos. Great for flexible placement. Why it's useful: it can adapt to medium or low light, and it looks great on shelves or hanging. But, in very dark bedrooms, growth slows significantly. Best use: near the window side wall, not deep corners. Number 5, peace lily. This works only if there is some indirect daylight. Benefits: it adds visual softness to the bedroom, and clearly signals thirst by drooping its leaves. Avoid completely dark spots. Plants that will not work in bedrooms. Avoid placing these in low-light bedrooms: fiddle leaf fig, succulents, cactus, and rubber plants. These require strong light. In bedrooms, they slowly decline even if they look fine at first. Exact placement strategy. This is where most people fail. Use this rule: no plant should be more than 6 to 8 feet from a window. Even in bedrooms. Best spots: side of the window, dresser near the light source, or bedside table. Avoid inside closets, windowless corners, or behind furniture. Oh, and bedrooms are dust magnets because of blankets and clothes. Wipe the leaves monthly so they can absorb whatever little light they get. Night versus day reality. Plants don't need light at night. But they do need enough light during the day to survive the night cycle. Bedrooms often stay dark longer. And don't worry about the myth that plants steal your oxygen at night. The amount is microscopic. You are perfectly safe sleeping next to them. Quick bedroom setup formula. Choose one low-light plant like a snake or ZZ. Place it within 6 feet of the window. Water only when the soil is completely dry. That alone puts you ahead of 80% of people. If you want more realistic plant guides for apartments, subscribe to the Urban Leaf. Bedrooms are quiet spaces. Soft light. Minimal movement. The right plant shouldn't dominate the room. It should blend into it. Low-light plants don't grow fast, but they create presence. And in a bedroom, subtle presence is everything. If this helped you choose the right plant, leave a like. Next, best plants for busy people. This is the Urban Leaf. Growing calm in small spaces.